Hey guys, today we're at Wesselman Woods Nature Preserve in Evansville, Indiana. This is basically in the heart of the city. They've got a lot of short duration trails. This place is really awesome. If you're in the area, you have a little bit of time, you have to stop in and check it out. So at this park, whenever you want to access the hiking trails, you have to go through the nature center. They've got a bunch of displays in there, and there's a fee. It's $5 for an adult, but there's a lot of stuff, like if you have small children, they can do inside, look at the displays. And then there's like a playground and different things for the little ones if they don't feel like hiking a few miles. So this trail seems to be extremely well maintained. Very little debris on the trails, no downed limbs or logs to hop over. This would be great for jogging, kids. You could probably even push a stroller out here